Okay, morning one of my first overnight camp at D&W Lake RV campsite in Champaign, Illinois. There's Serotonin, all set up, air ride lowered, which I learned how to do on this lake with barren trees. Kind of desolate. There's just a couple of people here right now. I did have my first problem, I'll say. I had a plumbing leak this morning. I've got a drain pipe on the sink that had a leak in it. It was actually cracked. Just a quick trip over to Menards and that'll be fixed up. But other than that, Serotonin has performed. This is going to be a lot of fun. So, I don't have the full hookups on right now. I just have the 50 amp electric because I've got the water tanks full, and I don't think they have the water on out here yet because it's still kind of winter. It's probably 45, 50 degrees. It actually feels really, really good to be in the sun. Getting some vitamin D after last night's shenanigans at Joe's, where Andrew and Debjet and Shea District were DJing. It's block weekend down here in Champaign, so whew, it's going to be another day of festivities. Long night and short morning. So there we are, night one. It was fantastic. Love it.